kids, we're drawing Grookey from Pokemon. All right, let's get his big old head. And he's got some little leafy things up here. And some ears. Another ear. Here's its little arm. Okay, I know where things go. So we're gonna start here with a nice oval, like so. Boink nose hole, boink nose hole. This one's a little bigger. Then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna draw his big old smiley face, like that, with a tongue. Then we're gonna come right off here and come around to here. And then we're gonna draw a curvy line with a line and a line. This one's really curvy, like that. And then we've got, so you got like a stick coming out in between. And then over here, and then like that. And then we got an eye here. But you don't see all of it. And we got ear here. Then we got another eye part in there, and then a big oval right there. And over here, another oval. There, there, and then here. Here we go. And this comes around like that. And this line comes down like that. And we got another line. Boink, boink, boink. Comes back up. Got his little different color here. Now this one comes up, this one goes down. Then this comes around like that. And we got a backwards C. Oof, I'm running out of room. There we go. And then this comes up for his little butt. And then we've got the back of his head. But don't forget his ear. And then this comes up and around and back down. And then we got a little curvy line. And then this one comes back in and like that. Then we got his little tail. Looks like a little monkey tail. Like so. It's gonna come back like that. Put him on the ground. And there is Grookey. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.